So, following on from my last video about my exhaust knocking, I've identified that the rubber bands have stretched and are cracking. So you can see from the one in more or less nearly the middle of the car, that's snapped. So the exhaust is hanging too low. It's basically just hanging on by one. So I don't want to leave it like that. So I've ordered 2 new bands, which, you know, are not in stock, so I've got to wait for them to come. But for now, I'm going to use the good old cable tie, because what I don't want is excess stress with the weight of the exhaust pulling down and fracture on the joints, because if that happens, then I'm into changing new pipes and new boxes or whatever, or welding, or for the sake of like a £5 part. I'm going to try and budget with some cable ties. They get 2 on, give it a little bit extra strength. As I say, it's only until they arrive in the post. Dropped actually quite a bit. I can feel it more rigid now, just by just doing this. So I've just attached 2 cable ties and it's pulled it up quite a lot, and you can see now the band actually meets. I'm just wondering whether the band that I've bought seems to be smaller than that, but is it because it's just been stretched over the years? It's definitely pulled the exhaust up. The cable ties are doing the trick. So has it reduced the rattling? You hear the rumbling? Yeah, no rattling. So 2 cable ties have done the job. But I'll put the new parts on when they come in the post. I just removed the old cable ties. Bit of lube up. Bit of lube always helps getting the rubber on or off. if you compare the two, that it's sort of stretched and it's a lot thinner. So, I mean, this is more substantial. It's whether it'll fit on the bracket or not. We'll see. So, new mount on. I'm hoping that will last for a long time. We shall see. But they're only £5, so I can always replace. So you can see this one's cracked. So that'll give out soon. Wonder why they make it with like a slit in the middle. Looks like that. Oh, there's that slit. So on with the new. Should slip on easy. Good. Job's a good one.